This is my update to my own personal cavity treatment. Now, if you're already seeing black stains on your tooth, know that the bacteria has already crept into your mouth. And what do? Many people out there are prone to cavity as well. They don't know what to do by themselves so that they can control this cavity or as well stop this bacteria that causes cavity. I am prone to cavity and I have successfully stopped this cavity from my mouth. I was once a good customer to dentists, but now I'm no longer their customer because I have found the better way for me to take care of my teeth by myself. And that is why I create this channel, because I see that many people out there, they are as well prone to cavity. Many people out there are prone to cavity as well. They don't know what to do by themselves so that they can control this cavity or as well stop this bacteria that causes cavity. And if you are watching me right now and you know that you have cavity, you have a hole on your teeth, or you have tooth decay, do well to subscribe to this channel and watch other videos, because I am going to be showing you the things that I have been doing and the things that you can as well do on your own to stop this bacteria from attacking your precious teeth. There are some products that I use and I will be showing you those products here in today's video. And there is a new addition to my oral care products, which I am very excited to let you know that very soon I will be introducing that new addition here. Now, the things that I use, I always talk about it here in this channel. Things like xylitol crystal. This is xylitol crystal. It has helped me a lot, and it has helped my children as well. I either use xylitol crystal or I use xylitol toothpaste. This is the actual one that I am using. Before I started using xylitol crystal or xylitol toothpaste, my oral health was deteriorating. The hole of my teeth were getting deeper and deeper. Immediately, I added xylitol into my oral care products. I began to see changes. I'm just telling you the things that I am doing. So if you want to see changes, if you're looking for solution, like the way I was looking for solutions, surfing the internet, finding out what I can do by myself, because the dentists were not giving me the real solution. They were just giving me temporal solution. I was looking for permanent solution, but all the hospital could give me was temporal solution, which is not what I was looking for. But when I came in contact with xylitol and xylitol toothpaste, my oral health turned around for good. Yes, for good. Now, if you are having tooth decay, tooth decay can come with severe tooth pain if it has gotten to some certain stage. It can cause bad breath, it can cause toothache, it can make you uncomfortable. So if you are having tooth decay, maybe it's just starting, you are seeing stains on your tooth, do not keep silent at it, because it's not going to pity you. These bacteria, they don't stop. They don't stop until you stop them. Once the environment, your mouth environment is acidic, once they can thrive in that, they keep on multiplying. So it's your duty to stop them, or else they will eat up your precious teeth. Now, if you're already seeing black stains on your tooth, know that the bacteria has already crept into your mouth. And what do? Immediately find where to get this xylitol, or where to get this toothpaste, or any toothpaste out there that is made with xylitol and has enough percentage of xylitol in it. So start using it. This xylitol crystal can be more expensive than this toothpaste. So anyone that you can afford, begin now to use it so that you can stop those bacterial growths in your mouth and protect your teeth from further damage. So these are the two products that I am currently using, and it is very effective and is very effective. So these are the two products that I am using for my oral health, and I have seen great improvements in my oral health. I no longer have pains. I no longer have toothaches. I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video on how you can use this xylitol crystal or this toothpaste, on how you can use it very well to get the results that you want to get. So if you know that you are prone to cavity like me, this is what I have been doing. So I will be showing you the progress in my oral health in this channel. So do well to subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell. Now there is a new ingredient that I'm about to add to my oral health. This ingredient is called nanohydroxyapatite. Nanohydroxyapatite. I have been researching about this nanohydroxyapatite, and finally I'll be adding it to my oral care. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how it looks like, and I'll be showing you how I will use it and what I think about it and what I feel about it. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.